Hi everyone, welcome back to Software Shia. In this video I will create blurred background pop-up. So let's start. First of all, I will select HTML elements with their classes and assign them to constant variables. First constant variable is container element. Container element equals document dot. I will use query selector method. Close icon. Pop-up container. Container. Close icon. I will add event listener to button element. The event being listened to is the click event. When this event occurs, the code inside will execute it. Add event listener. Click. I will add active class to container element. The active class is often used to apply specific styles or behaviors to an element. Class is not add active. And I will remove active class from pop-up container element. Now I will add event listener to the close icon element for clicked event. I will remove class active from container element. Container element dot class is dot remove active. I will once again add active class to pop-up container element. Pop-up container element dot class list dot add active. Our code is complete. Overall, this code sets up event listener for close button and a close icon. When button is clicked, it adds the active class to container element and removes active class from pop-up container and vice versa. Let's have a look on front end. How does it look? I will click on button for pop-up. As you can see, when pop-up appeared, background image is blurred. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.